Good morning, dear students. Today, in this lesson, we are going to study about the flowers, its uses, its different parts, and their various functions of the parts. So, before moving ahead, let us understand the uses of flower. Why is the flower important? So, students, what have you seen the flower being used for? Around you. Okay, so you people have seen flower for the purpose of decoration, for aesthetic work, for symbolic expressions like we gift flower to our near and dear ones. For medicinal purposes like various flowers are used in various medicinal purposes. For cultural and religious significance. Yes, correct. So anybody else wants to add any point to this? Okay, thank you, dear students. Let us move ahead. So, before moving to the chapter, let us first take an overview of the different parts of flower which we are going to cover in the lesson today. So, we will study about the sepals, the petals, the pistil, and the stamen. So, students, the first part of the flower which we are going to cover right now is the petals. The petals. Okay, students, have you seen the petals? Yes, they are the colorful, vibrant colored part of the flower. They attract the insects for the purpose of pollination. The petals, you must have seen the petals, are of various shapes, colors, design, and of various size. So, due to these colorful petals, the insects get attracted towards these flowers in search of nectar, and along with that it also helps in the process of pollination, which is essential for the flowers. Now let us move to the next structure of the flower. So sepals is the next structure of the flower which we are going to study now. So all of you must have seen sepals. They are green in color and are present outer to the flower. Since they are present at the outer end of the flower, the main function of the sepal is to hold the flower and to protect the bud. It protects the developing bud inside it. Also, it provides support to the developing flower. Now, let us move towards the next structure of the flower, that is the stamen. The stamen is considered as the male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of two parts, filament and anther. The filament provides support to the anther, and the anther produces pollen grains that is used in the process of fertilization. The stamen is present inner to the sepal and the petal. Generally, the stamen is present near the pistil for easy fertilization. Now the next structure which we are going to cover right now is the pistil. The pistil is said to be the female reproductive part of the flower. It also consists of three parts, that is stigma, style and ovary. The stigma receives pollen grain, the style provides a pathway for pollen tube, and the ovary consists of ovules that develop into the seeds upon fertilization. This stigma has the receptors which help in taking the pollen grains that we get from the anther during the process of pollination, and after that it provides a pathway. The style provides a pathway for the process of fertilization. After fertilization, ovule is produced which turns into seeds. So the parts which we covered today was petal, sepal, pistil and anther. So students, the assignment for you is to label these parts. The help box is given and you have to label all the parts of the flowers. Okay, and the next assignment is, this is a very interesting assignment. You have to click on the link, these links, you have to click on these links and you will play different kind of games like quizzes, puzzles, match the columns. These are interesting games which will brush up your knowledge. Okay, thank you, students.